In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a selection in Google Sheets. If you only need to print part of a spreadsheet instead of the entire sheet, Google Sheets makes that very easy. This is especially useful when you want to print a table, a report section, or a specific range of data without wasting paper or including extra information. To begin, go to your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you're inside the sheet, locate the exact cells you want to print. Click and drag to highlight that range. Make sure your selection includes everything you need, because Google Sheets will use that highlighted area as the print range. After selecting the cells, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the main menu with several options for managing your spreadsheet. From there, click on Print. This takes you to the print settings area where you can control exactly what will be included in the output. In the print settings window, you'll usually see an option set to current sheet. Click on that setting to open the print selection choices. From the list, choose selected cells. You may see the selected range displayed beside it, which helps confirm that Google Sheets recognized the exact cells you highlighted earlier. This is an important step because if you leave it on current sheet, the entire sheet will be prepared for printing instead of just your chosen section. Once selected cells is active, take a moment to review the preview on screen. This helps you confirm that only the area you want is showing. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust the highlighted range before continuing. When everything looks correct, click Next. This moves you into your device's print or save dialog. At this stage, click Save. Depending on your setup, this usually saves the selection as a PDF, which is helpful if you want to print it later or share it first before printing. After that, click Save again when prompted so you can choose where on your device the file will be stored. Select the folder or location that works best for you and save the file there for printing. That's all it takes to print only a selected range in Google Sheets. It's a simple process, but it can save time, paper, and cleanup when you're working with large spreadsheets.